Manje-ke ne-team yami sithiya sibamba u-M2 sinyukelele kwaDukuza siyobambisa i-stadium uNtomkhona Khumeni. Lesi stadium siqasha abantu abawu-8. Inebhizinisi lokuthutha iy'ngane zesikole, inemoto yayo personal, inekhishi, kanti sivule nesitolo edrobheni kaDukuza all through ibhizinisi lakhe lamaphinifa. Ikuphi la ekwathi khona boom.
Ekubeni busy kwethu sagcina sesibonwa abantu beSolezwe iphepha, and then ngiwa ngaphupha ephepheni vele ngiphuma ngokuthi uthenga imoto ngamaphinifa vele wonke umuntu usefuna ukuthenga lamaphinifa ufuna ukubona, so saba busy kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi kangangokuthi sasihluleka. I remember bangesi we had to like refund them because sasingalindele kwavele nje kwasokuningi kakhulu, so kwakufanele sinyuse staff, sinyuse imshini nayo yonke lonto leyo.
Ntomkhona Khumeni, the brave young lady who has used her skill and talent not only to dress other ladies well, but has created employment opportunities for the people living in this region. With sponsorship, Iteshola My Hustle would be able to unearth more hustlers who are making a difference in their respective communities. We are making a call to all good Samaritans to support our show so we can continue exposing such stories. Catch this mover and the shaker on the 19th of August, 1800 hours. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kabisa TV. Washa